Yo, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Hope you guys had a good weekend. So I usually don't eat these. Like, I'm drinking a protein shake and a granola bar or a protein bar. I don't usually eat this in the morning, but I don't really have any more granola. I have yogurt, but I don't have granola. So this has like 140 calories, 20 grams of protein, and then these have like 90 calories and like 10 grams of protein. So it's like 30 grams of protein right here for not that many calories. It's pretty good. And then, yo, I don't know why, but I literally lose all my blender bottles. If somebody has some like secret way to keep track of your blender bottles, or maybe just me not being a forgetful person. So we're gonna have to use a spoon today to mix up our creatine and pre-workout. So I just thought it'd be funny for the video. But also too, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Another thing is, so I also do like a little modeling on the side, like for like whatever reason, I just find it fun. So there is a show I'm gonna be in. It's August 26th. It's in Temecula, California. If you're in that area, I live in California. If you guys didn't know, I don't think I've ever said that, but I'll probably pop it up on the screen right here, the flyer. And then just leave it in the comments if you're down to slide. I'll put the tickets in the comments. But yeah, I just want to shout that out. I'm going to make this drink, though, my pre-workout drink, with my ghetto pre-workout drink with my spoon. And then I'm going to catch y'all at the gym. We're doing shoulders today. So I'm probably going to do some different exercises, but also some of the same. Just show you guys also more ways to get Boulder shoulders. And like I said in the previous video, anybody can do my workouts. I feel like my audience is mostly men. Like girls, you can do it too. Anybody can really do it. But I just try to give you guys free knowledge and free game. But I'm going to finish this and I'm going to catch y'all at the gym. And let's get it. The ghetto way. Starting off with Smith machine shoulder press. So essentially here, this is working your lateral and anterior deltoid. The main thing here is to obviously keep your elbows in. I say that in every single exercise I do. But you don't want to like, kind of like you're retracting your back. Like it's like you're like bending your back. You turn your lower back like that, so try to keep your back straight and just let your shoulders do the work. But yeah, just don't, try to go for like, you don't need to go like crazy heavy to where you can only do like 3 to 4 reps unless you're doing like last set. I would recommend that, but for starting off on your first set like I did, I'm just doing a 45 and then usually I go from there. I actually don't really ever even do this, I just do dumbbell shoulder press, but I just did 1 set and now I'm moving up heavier, and then I'm gonna go for 8 to 10 here, and then the last set I might do like try to get 6 with an even heavier weight, but we'll see what happens. I did I think 8. It was either 8 or 10 with 25, 45. Now I'm gonna try to do 6 with like a 35 and a 45. I have done 2 plates, but like I can only do it for 4, and that's kind of like defeats the purpose of the whole exercise. So I'm just gonna stick to this. This will probably be my heaviest set, and then I'll go into a drop set after. So I'm gonna do this for 6, take off the weight, go down to 45, and do probably another like 8. It's a burnout. Alright, so the main thing with dumbbell lateral raises is you want to make sure that when you're coming down, you're controlling the weight, you're not like letting it just drop, because when you're letting the weight drop, you're losing tension on the muscles. So that's the main thing to focus on here, and then also make sure that you're making a Y when you come up as well, and just make sure to control the weight when you're coming down. I did like 3 sets, I'm going to do 1 more and we'll go from there. I'm sorry if it's loud in here, that's why it sounds like I'm freaking screaming, but... Alright, so the main thing with cable ladder raises is you want to come up like this. You want to have it behind your back, and then when you come down, control the weight to keep tension on the muscle. I find this one a little bit like more like you're cheating yourself versus like dumbbell lateral raises, because it does humble. It's a little heavier, so your body wants to kind of like jerk it. So just remember to go down slow, control the weight when you're coming down. Alright, you guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of like hard on myself on these videos, so I really hope you guys are enjoying them. I'm trying to make them as entertaining as possible, as I think they're entertaining, if that makes sense. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, and have a blessed one.